Hi, Islam, tell the story fishing in the rain. The Hoppers had 1 week left before the school began. They were supposed to go camping with Grandpa Grizzly, but it rained and rained. Come on, Hoppers, where will you go camping? Camping, rain or shine, says Grandpa Grizzly. Want to sand get wet? asked Floppy asked. We want to able to build a campfire, says Speedy Legs. Our hot dog and marshmallow will get soggy, says Fluffy Tail. Camping isn't any fun in the rain, Sniffy Snubby Nose. But fish always bit when it rains, says Grandpa Grizzly. He pulled out from a new fishing pole on the Hoppers. We'll go fishing, cried the Hoppers. Thank you, Grandpa Grizzly. The 4 Hoppers carried their pole into the good. Grandpa Grizzly set up his big tent. Inside it was dry and comfortable, but the Hoppers didn't mind the rain. They sat on the banks of the river and fished. Grandpa Grizzly said, "You must be very quiet so you don't scare the fish." Just then, Speedy Leg began to sneeze. They sneezed so slowly that not the fish could bite. Then Floopy Ass began to caught. She caught so much that the fish all swam away. I think we have been in the rain too long, said Grandpa Grizzly. We should go in the tent before you all catch cold. But I want to fish some more, said Snubby Nose. You can cast on more time, said Grandpa Grizzly. Snubby Nose cast as far as he could, but he cast so hard that he fell right into the water. Help me, cried Snubby Nose. I can't swim. Grandpa Grizzly jumped into the river and pushed Snubby Nose up. Then he carried Snubby Nose to shore and grabbed a towel around him. Oh no, my fishing pole is still in the water, cried Snubby Nose. Grandpa Grizzly leapt bravely back into the chilly river. He found Snubby Nose pole on the muddy bottom. Then handed it to Snubby Nose getting out of the water. Goodbye.